2 a.m. Pager goes off. Production is down. Payments throwing 500s. Checkout version crattering. I do what every engineer does. I DM my manager. Products down. Need you online. Three dots appear. I wait. Then, keep me posted. I trust you. I read it twice. I expected a copilot. I got a subscriber to my incident channel. Rewind 2 years. I believed something nobody told me directly. I just absorbed it from every org chart I had seen. Manager sits above every engineer. Above means more knowledge. More knowledge means when the system breaks, they know exactly which service to restart. I pictured my manager as the final box of debugging, the person who had walked in, glanced at stack trace, and just know. The real first outage I got, I pinged like I was calling backup. Site is down, need help. The response, have you checked the logs? Paged the on-call DBA? Opened an incident doc? Every reply was a question, not an answer. I didn't page you for a checklist. I paged you because I thought you had known something I didn't. Turns out the checklist was the help. What actually clicked? Staring at the terminal alone at 2:14 a.m., my manager wasn't withholding the fix. My manager didn't have the fix at all. They had not opened this code base in 11 months. Didn't know we had migrated the payments queue of SQS in March. Their context wasn't the system, it was the roadmap, the headcount review, the three other teams on fire I couldn't see from my one Slack channel. I pictured my manager like some engineer superhero, cape on, SSH key in hand, ready to swoop into prod. Reality, the last pull request they merged was during a hackathon, in a framework we didn't use anymore, into a repo we archived. Asking them to fix my outage was like asking a retired firefighter to be on the fire. Respectfully, wrong department. I stopped waiting, opened the query logs myself, found a migration script that had silently doubled write throughput on a table with a log we had forgotten existed, fixed it, deployed it, watched the error rate fall back to zero, alone at my desk in a hoodie, a Stack Overflow tab open in another window. Nobody clapped. The dashboard went green. I talked to enough engineer to know this is not just my manager. It's a pattern backed into the job title. Somewhere between senior engineer and engineering manager, the job stops being about code and starts being about people, budgets, and blast radius you can't see in a terminal. We keep expecting managers to still be the strongest technical hands in the room. Most of the days, that's not what they are paid to be anymore. What they are actually doing during your incident, shielding you from Slack threats, asking why this is taking so long, buying you time with stakeholders, making sure this outage does not become the reason your team loses headcount next quarter. That's the real work. It's invisible from inside the terminal. I wanted a technical rescue. What I got was political cover. I didn't have the job title yet to recognize the difference, guys. Last month, a new hire on team paged me at midnight. Products down, need you online. I looked at the message for a second. Then I typed, keep me posted, I trust you. Sent it. Put the phone face down. Didn't open my laptop. I don't know yet if it was the right call or not. I just know exactly which message they are about to read it twice. If you like this video, subscribe Decoded Engineer for more videos like this. Thank you.